Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide specific product category in single product pages in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in single product page and this is our meta section, and then you see categories. We have two categories. So we are going to hide specific product category using code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin, then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see array and then you see product category slug. Go to product category page and then you see slug, so you can add category according to requirement. So we added candles. Back to code. Now you see candles, so we are going to hide candle category from single product page. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to single product page and then you see categories candles ceramic, so we are going to hide candles. Now refresh the page. Now you see candle category hide on single product page, only you see one category. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.